It's actually amazing.
My name is Siba Mtongana. I'm in the TASTETube kitchen. I'm going to make the most delicious butter chicken, but roasted. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a marinade. The marinade is made out of a few ingredients. Literally, I use a ready-made paste. That is a great cheat. And with the paste...
I can't believe you're cheating with a ready-made paste.
Darling.
What is this?
If you're a mother of 4, you need all the cheating there is. I also have another cheat, which is a spice blend. It's a butter chicken spice blend. All right, next, I'm going to add some plain yogurt. Look at that.
Get in there, girl.
Yeah. Let's actually get in there. That's the best part. This is super hot, as you can see, and I'm going to brush it with normal canola oil so that my chicken doesn't stick. First one on. Oh, listen to that. And all I want with this one is beautiful charring. I want those griddle lines which are nice and black. And then we're gonna let the oven, oopsie, do the full cooking for us. My 2 garlic bulbs goes in between the chicken. This tastes gorgeous when roasted. All right, now what I need to do is my side dish, and I'm going to use mash. You know I'm a cheat. You know I'm a mother of 4. So all the cheat I can get is a high five for Mr. Delicious. Next one is I'm going to char grill my greens. Oh, look at that. All right, my mash is ready. A little bit of milk. Not too much. Hannah, you must come see this. Look, it's smooth.
Oh my gosh. It's actually amazing. Smells
amazing, isn't it? It's gorgeous.
That is spectacular.
Do you love it?
It's so tender, so juicy, so yummy.
Yes.